Hi guys, Amy with Winterization here with another Tip Tuesday for you. Today we're going to talk about storage of your golf cart with flooded lead acid batteries. About 2 weeks before you think you're ready to store your cart, go ahead and charge the batteries in full. Then you're going to want to lift the seat, make sure your cart is in tow mode, and check the water level on your batteries. Make sure you're adding distilled water to the batteries and not tap water. Once you've charged those batteries and have that water level set in there, go ahead and drive your cart. Drive it till it's just about dead. This ensures that the water and the acid inside the batteries gets to a good, even mixture. Then park your cart, charge it in full again so it's ready to park for the winter. When you're parking it for long term, remember to keep it in tow mode, and for extra assurance, go ahead and unhook one of the main battery cables. Come springtime, hook that battery back up, charge it, and you're good to go. Remember, follow every Tuesday for a Tip Tuesday.